I'd like to share a new habit which I developed recently. What I'm going to show is I start every day with a recording audio where I offload my thoughts every morning, and then I transcribe my thoughts, summarize them, and put them in the context of my previous thoughts from previous days. And on the third day, actually, something interesting has happened. It's just I saw the relation or connection or patterns in my thoughts and how they are grouped by projects, ideas, and this is very insightful. This is very personal. So, I mean, if I share it, you would definitely see something, right? But the meaning is just for me. And the same is, so if you try to develop this habit for yourself, you're going to feel it, but probably you'll not be able to share it to the same extent as it means something for you. So you should give it a try, definitely, and you will see the value. And especially if you're going to continue doing that, you'll be very surprised how deep the insights will be. So now this technique, currently what I'm about to show, might look very technical, but I'm sure in a very few days, and there will be a solution for that, which is more user-friendly. I will just show you the concept, how I do that. And it could be implemented in very different ways. So I created a folder which is called context, right? Just somewhere. Concrete, it has that structure. So basically, it follows the second brain approach described in the similar book, The Second Brain. So I have areas, I have journal, well, tools, basically something different, right? And basically I created a tool for transcribing stuff locally, but you can use anything else for transcription. So I will accumulate audio here, and I will transcribe audio in that folder, and every transcription will be summarized, and every summarization of any day relies on summaries from previous days, and this is how they get more and more insightful for you. And then in the future, you will be able to basically chat with your thoughts, which is a very interesting concept. So I have an inbox here, which is currently empty. Boom. And I will just copy, let's copy the move, an audio file from downloads. Boom. Now we have here. And I will just go ahead and launch Claude here, Claude in that folder. At the same time, I will show you just the structure of my thoughts. You saw it already, but here's the status, right? Now I'll get and execute this command, which is basically a predefined prompt, which I have. And I will say, okay, let's transcribe and call it project idea. So what it's going to do, basically, it's going to go to inbox, find any M4A file, like audio file. If it's just a single file, it's going to transcribe it and do all the nice stuff, which I'm going to show you. And if there are multiple files, it's going to ask me, which file should I work on? So let's give it a try. Now it's going to find a file in the inbox folder. Okay, it got it. And it's using basically the internal command here in the tools. It's going to use this script, which I also generated with code in 2 minutes. It will generate the transcription. Yeah, so this is the stuff which I was talking about. Basically, I had an idea to write a book about my working experience in my current company. What it does, actually. So it moved it here, and it should put transcription here. Let's check it out. Boom. Yeah, we see it's here, and it's here. Okay, cool. Now let's contemplate on that. So it's not morning right now, so I'm not going to create another summary of a day, but let's do this. Okay, so can you please take this project idea transcription and summarize it? Maybe put some, or maybe extract some action items, put it into context of today's morning thoughts summary, and create a summary action plan for that. But also consider that currently I'm making a screencast, so do not share any internal personal information. Do not use any names of projects that I'm working on right now. So yeah, and just be careful about my privacy, because I'm going to share this video after that on YouTube. So here's a task I'm about to give, and let's see what it's going to come up with. I hope there will be some insightful output. Oh yeah, so it's gonna try to read the directory. I'm thrilled to see what it's going to come up with. All right, here we are. So the idea to write a book, yeah, right. Role, fluidity, juggling, yeah, basically, yeah, it reveals actually the core issues or challenges which I was facing in the company. And yeah, it looks interesting. Brain dump, yeah, cool. All right, yeah, I like it. So we see, basically now you can chat with your past thoughts, and this is the ability which we as humanity, I guess, never had before. Stay tuned.